Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit and today we have a question about Reliance. What to do in Reliance before Q2 result? We'll look into that, but before that my standard disclaimer. This is only educational video. Always check with your financial advisor before doing any equity investment, as always subjected to risk. Also, a word about me. So today is 30th of September. I'm using mainly price action pattern to draw this analytic. So here we can see at least from last 6 to 7 months Reliance is making lower tops. So it made a top here around 2800, then 2750, then 2650, 2670, and then last around 2630. So the tops are coming out. That's the first thing. Okay, now we can see it was taking almost last 6 months was taking support here around 2360. So here almost 2 weeks, but then recently in last couple of days this 2330 is broken and the Reliance is trading down after that. So the next technical support should come here somewhere around 2220. So I'm not saying it's coming here, but I'm saying if it comes here something around 2230, that becomes a buying opportunity. Okay, and it should head back towards 2550. First resistance Reliance should face is this number 2360 again, which was support here. So now it will act as a resistance, but it should break this resistance and go towards high. Okay, now as we just saw that the tops are coming down, so less likely that it will go and test this 26 or 2650 level in short term. So there's a high possibility that Reliance may face resistance around 2550 because it was around 2650. So consider 100 point down, 3-4% downside from here. So somewhere around 2550, that should be a resistance. So if you getting a buy, if you can buy around 2230, 2550 is the like 15% upside trade, and this should come in less than like 2 months. So that becomes a good trading opportunity for Reliance. So yeah, that's all for today guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.